you're sick.
Hey, hey, on. Hey, you know what?
Okay, look at these skinny jeans. They're so skinny, it's like, there's no, like,
Not
you
jeans.
can play drums.
Oh, how many cats? Sports? No! Don't put it into the sports.
No.
You don't know about skinny jeans.
Don't allow it. Don't allow it.
You just
Sunshine.
kind of,
No.
No.
I got a cutscene?
Why you get a cutscene?
No, I didn't get a cutscene. Sunshine.
You got a cutscene of you dying a little bit.
What is this ghost?
Ghost of the alma mater. Kelsey, breast cancer's winning.
Breast cancer, yay!
By the way, whore.
I would.
Fuck that.
I would.
You want? Hey, by the way, can I
I
get
would.
a pigment? They can suck my cock.
They already are.
No, like seriously.
They already are. They already are. Right now.
Did you just see me like ninja you all the way across the?
No, I didn't.
Well, you're dead.
Okay.
I'm rubbing your guitar.
What the hell?
What are you doing?
Fast and help.
Rubbing your guitar.
No, no Captain Fun Fact.
That's wonderful, dear.
That was a reflex.
What was that? Oh God, not the bumper.
Not the bumper. You just got the bumper. Why are you saying not the bumper?
Because guess what?
You like it.
No!
I was.
Oh, this is so, guys, this is so fail because Ness doesn't have a third jump.
It really does.
He kind of does. Like, you press up and
And
hit
you're like
yourself with
really
it.
freaking oh,
Dude, Captain Falcon's a giant!
Breast cancer and
It's Colin Facting Calvin.
the breast cancer drill.
You are fighting breast cancer like a mother.
What'd you just say?
They're latching on.
They're latching onto my fire and it sucks.